Welcome to Salamander Yoga. Today, we are going to go up into outer space. So let's get ready. Sit down and cross your legs in front of you. To go up into space, we are going to need a special space helmet. So sitting up straight, take a deep breath in, and as you breathe in, move your arms above your head in a circle that looks just like a helmet. Good. Hold here. Now slowly breathe out and bring your arms back down to your sides. Nice. Let's do it again. Breathe in and bring your arms above your head in a circle. Hold and breathe out and bring those arms down. One last time. Breathe in, arms up, hold. Breathe out, arms down, and whoa! Your helmet has appeared. Great! Now we can go up into space. But to float up, we need to make ourselves really light. So continue to slowly breathe in and out and imagine that you are a soft feather. Breathe in and out. Oh, I think it's working. So in order to stay floating in space, it's important to breathe just like this the whole time you are up here. Hey, what's that? Let's see if we can do a special turn to get a better look. So, both legs out in front of you. Bend one knee up towards your chest. Take the arm from the opposite side of your body and sitting up straight, hug your bent knee. Put the other arm down and behind you on the ground for support and slowly twist your chest and head in the direction of that back arm. Sitting straight, hold here. Can you see anything? Keep hugging as you breathe in and out. Okay. Let's try it again, but we will look the other way. So bend your other knee up towards your chest. Take the arm from the opposite side of your body and sitting up straight, hug your knee. The arm that is not hugging can go behind you and on the ground for support. And slowly twist your chest and head to look in the other direction. Keep hugging your leg and sitting up straight and breathing in and out. Can you see anything? Oh look, it's a star. Hi star, there's no need to be shy. We are friendly. I wonder if we can be stars too. So let's stand up and spread out our feet a little. And stretch out our arms to each side and point our head up straight. Hey, doesn't this feel good? We are stars, superstars, yay! Hey, what was that flash? Was that a twinkle? Let's see if we can twinkle. Okay, bend your knees and press your hands together and bring your body down. Now take a deep breath and stretch out again into the star position. Wow, we did twinkle. Let's do it again. Bend your knees, hands together, go down. And back up to the star. Yeah! One last time. Down. And up. Oh, bye, star. Hey, we've landed on the moon. Look around. Have you ever taken steps on the moon? It's a bit tricky, but let's try. So, hands on our hips, take a big step forward. Keep your upper body straight, and when you are balanced, you can try and bend your back knee and let your body slowly sink down towards the ground. Hold here and keep on doing your special space breathing. Great! Let's take another step. So reverse back up, put your feet together, and then take a big step forward with the other foot. When you are balanced with a straight back, you can slowly sink your upper body down towards the earth. Hold here. Okay, let's stand up straight again and it's time to go back down. So now, instead of thinking light, we need to think heavy. Lay on your back, bring your knees to your chest and squeeze them tightly with your arms and imagine you are a heavy rock. Push your back down into the ground. Keep hugging. I think it's working. Nice. We can now gently place our arms and legs on the ground and slowly float down, breathing softly. Okay, everyone, the 5-minute yoga break is over.